Hello everyone, my name is Khusboo Dutta, MBA second semester, roll number 15 from Mizoram University. So today I am going to explain on the topic Questionnaire in Research. So let's start the video. First, I will explain what is questionnaire. A questionnaire is a research instrument that consists of a set of questions or other types of prompts that aims to collect information from a respondent. A research questionnaire is typically a mix of close-ended questions and open-ended questions. Open-ended long form of question offer the respondent the ability to elaborate on their thoughts. Research questionnaires were developed in 1838 by the Statistical Society of London. For example, customer satisfaction questionnaire. This type of research can be used in any situation where there is an interaction between a customer and an organization. For example, you might send a customer satisfaction survey after someone eats at your restaurant. You can use the survey to determine if your staff is offering excellent customer service and if the overall experience was positive. Second, characteristics of questionnaire. There are three types of characteristics of questionnaire. First, uniformity. So, what is uniformity? Questionnaires are very useful to collect demographic information, personal opinions, facts, or attitude from respondents. One of the biggest characteristics of questionnaire is uniform design and standardization. This helps in data collection and statistical analysis of data. Example, the retail store evaluation questionnaire template contains questions for evaluating retail store experience. Questions relate to purchase value, range of options for product selections. These questions are uniform for all customers. Second, exploratory. To collect qualitative data, the questionnaire should be exploratory. There is no restriction to questions that can be in your questionnaire on or the specific objective of the questions. For example, you use a data collection questionnaire and send it to the female of the household to understand her saving habits relative to the household income. And third, question sequence. A questionnaire typically follows a structural flow of questions to increase the number of responses. This sequence of questions is screening questions, warm-up questions, and traditions. Example, our motivation and buying experience questionnaire template covers initial demographic questions, then asks for time spent in sections of the store as well as the rational purchases. Third type of questionnaire distribution. There are four types. First, computer questionnaire. In this type, respondents are sent the questionnaire via email or other online mediums. This method is generally cost-effective and time-efficient. Second, telephone questionnaire. A researcher makes a phone call to a respondent to collect responses directly. responses are quick ones. You have a respondent on the phone. However, a lot of times the respondents are hesitant to give out much information over the phone. And third, in-house questionnaire. This type of questionnaire is conducted by a researcher that visits the home or workplace of the respondent. And fourth, mail questionnaire. This is the last questionnaire. Mail questionnaires are starting to be obsolete but are still being used in some market research studies. This method involves a researcher sending a physical data collection questionnaire request to a respondent that can be filled in and sent back. Fourth, advantages of questionnaire. There are 4 advantages of questionnaire. First, questionnaire are inexpensive. Questionnaire are one of the most affordable ways to gather quantitative data. And second, questionnaire are practical. Apart from being inexpensive, questionnaire are also a practice way to gather data. They can be targeted to groups of your choosing and managed in various ways. And third, questionnaires are a quick way to get results. It's quick and easy to collect results with online and mobile tools. This means that you can gain insights in as little as 24 hours depending on the scale and reach of your questionnaire. Fourth, scalability. It means that for a relatively low cost, you can target a city or a country. Last, at disadvantages of questionnaire. First, dishonest answer. Many positives to questionnaires dishonestly can be an issue. And second, unanswered questions. When using questionnaires, there is chance that some questions will be ignored or left unanswered. And third, some questions are difficult to analyze. Questionnaires produce a lot of data. Multiple search questions can be tabulated and graphed, but open-ended questions are very different. And last one, accessibility issues. Always choose a questionnaire platform that has accessibility options built in.